Hi friends, this is me Harshita V. Handel here. In this video, I'll tell you why methoxytol is the preferred agent in ACT. Now first let's learn about methoxytol. This is a short acting, not even short acting, it is an ultra short acting anesthetic agent. That is, the duration of action is very short and the onset of action is also rapid. Okay, and we should know what is the mechanism of action through which methoxytol acts. Remember, friends, that methoxytol binds to a site that is GABA A receptor, GABA A type of receptor. It will bind to GABA A type of receptor, and it will increase the length of time of chloride channel opening. This is the mechanism by which it acts. That is, it increases the GABA type of activity in the brain. Hence, it has a property of anesthesia. And you should know that any this methoxytol, when used in excess, that is the toxicity. What is the toxicity that is associated with methoxytol is, if used in a very high doses, it can lead to even convulsive movements can happen. And if anything in excess is suppressing the brain, means you can expect symptoms like CNS depression, CVS depression. uh, what I mean to say is, CVS depression का मतलब hypotension, circulatory collapse, and this can happen. And also you should remember respiratory depression, this can also happen. And you should know that methoxytol at low doses is it is a proconvulsant, whereas at high doses it has anticonvulsant property. This is about methoxytol, and you should know that ECT. ECT is a treatment aspect in psychiatry, that is electroconvulsive therapy. Here we will induce the mechanism of ECT is it increases the BDNF, and it adds more of neuroplasticity. It increases, or it will modify the it is based on the principle of neuroplasticity. Redistribution of amines occur when this happens, and thus the psychiatric symptoms resolves. This is the mechanism of by which ECT actually work. And for this, in ECT they will make they will give the current, or and this is a method in which all this happens. And for this, the patient is made to have a similar type of generalized motor seizure. When ECT is given, a generalized motor seizure is what will happen in the brain, and this activity would lead to increase in BDNF and redistribution of amines, and thus the decrease of the symptoms of psychiatric of few psychiatric disorders. For this, previously it was done directly. Direct ACT was done previously, that is without any anesthetic agents and muscle relaxant. This would lead to very harmful effects like fracture of the bones could